to your English class. Today we have to work in our English workbook, May's workbook of English Pre-Year 2. So take out your book and open page number 10. Yes, today we are going to work on page number 10 as well as page number 11 and 12. Yes, आज थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा काम है, but it is interesting and you will enjoy doing that. So let's have a quick review and the icons. The first icon we have here is read. Read. The second one is trace. Trace. And the third one is color. Color. Now we have to write the dates first. So you have to write date on each of the worksheet first of all. Then look, here we have some pictures. The first one is ladder. Ladder. The second is log. Log. And the third one is lemon. Lemon. Now children, do you remember what is the beginning sound of all these words? All these pictures have a common beginning sound and it is and here we have So what you have to do, you have to trace this hollow You have to put your pencil on the starting point and follow the arrows with the rhyme saying is down and down. Is down and down. Is down and down. Now children, look, here are some lines given. Well, you know that we have to trace within these 4 lines and is always written in the first 3 lines. Is always written in the first 3 lines. Why? Because is a sky letter. Is a sky letter. Now put your pencil on the starting point and follow the arrow and write Now you have to complete all these lines by tracing all the Okay children, आपने अपनी pencil starting point पर रखनी है and you have to follow the arrow and make sure that you do the perfect tracing. बहुत अच्छी tracing करनी है, ठीक है? And after tracing, you have to color in these pictures. So make sure that the coloring is also perfect और outline से बाहर ना जाए बिल्कुल भी. Now, after completing page number 10, we will move to page number 11. And on page number 11, the icons we have is, the first one is match. Match. The second one is trace. Trace. And the third one is color. Color. Now children, look. Here we have some pictures and here we have a big hollow Now what we have to do, we have to match with the pictures which are starting with We will match the pictures starting with the beginning sound to this hollow For you, there is an example given. Well, tell me children, what is this? This is a log. This is a log. And what is the beginning sound of log? The beginning sound of log is So we have matched log with because log. Is the beginning sound of log. Now, look, what is this? This is a telephone. A telephone. So, can we match a telephone with a? No, we cannot, because the beginning sound does not match. So, leave telephone. What is this, children? This is lips. Lips. And what is the beginning sound of lips? It is I. I. So, can we match lips with I? Yes, we can. Very good. So now match lips with I. Lips. And the last picture has to be completed by you and yourself. So ये picture आप खुद complete करेंगे. First you will read and then you will think of the beginning sound, and if it matches, you will match it with I. And after matching, what you have to do? You have to color in the pictures which are matched with I. Okay? And with this, page number 10 is completed too. So now turn to page number 11 will be completed. And now you will turn to page number 12. So on page number 12, we have two icons. The first one is trace. And the second one is write. Okay, so here we have to do the writing too. Look children, there is a picture of lemon. Lemon. And there is an I written over here. So you have to start tracing with this I on the top of the page. So put your pencil on the starting point and follow the arrow. I is down and down. I is down and down. And after tracing this I, you have to trace the I which is given below in the two lines. So trace the I, all the I which are given in these two lines, and look on the third line what we have to do. There is an I written over here. First you have to trace it, and after that look, there are some starting points given for you. This means that from here you have to do the independent writing. You have to write I by yourself. No tracing this time. So write I by starting with the starting point, and you know what is the formation. I is down and down. So you have to write I in the last three lines by yourself, and after writing that, after completing the tracing and writing part, if you want, you can color the picture of lemon over here. So children, with this थोड़ा ज़्यादा जो काम आज हमने किया है, इसके साथ आज की क्लास हमारी ख़त्म होती है. This was all for today and I hope आप ज़्यादा थके नहीं होंगे इतना काम करके. Well, if you want, you can take a little rest after this. So we will meet in the next video with some new work to do, and till then you have to stay safe and take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.